Hey guys, Jay Parker Silver Stacker here. What's going on? As you can see right here, got a stack of stuff to open, online purchases, and I've got one here that I opened already. Funny story about this one. I had purchased a 1939 in fair condition Walking Liberty for my Walking Liberty album over here, and it was the last one I needed for that row and that page. And after I bought it, the guy said that he couldn't find the coin, and he gave me this note, and he upgraded the coin to a year that I already had. But the condition on this coin is in far better shape than the 39. So, and I think I paid $7 for the 39 in fair condition, so he gave me this one instead. This one is in IU condition, nice 1942S, great shape. So I think I got the better end of the deal on that one. So I'll be doing a little upgrading to my 1942S, which is in way worse condition than this one. So let's get into some of these packages here. I've got 4 to open really quick. I'm gonna try not to drag this video out. All right, nothing in there. What we got here? Newspaper. More paper. And in another package I have to open. At least it's protected. Thank you very much. Can't remember which one this one is. It's either my 46S that I ordered, Walking Liberty, that for the last page. Finally got it, guys. I don't know why I couldn't get one of these before. Normally you see a lot of those later dates in the coin shop, but oh no, it's actually the Franklin I ordered. Sorry about the lighting, guys. 1958. That's right, I forgot that I ordered this one. And this one looks to be in close to IU condition too. EU uncirculated. Very nice. It's got nice lines. 1958 Philly. So we'll set that one off to the side here. Maybe this one's the other Walker that I ordered. Let's see. In here. And my Walking Liberty album is coming right along, guys. I may even finish that one before my Franklin album. I've been kind of pushing hard on it. Oh yeah, this is my 1946S. Not too bad, still a lot of nice detail. It's got a little bit of toning there. Very nice. That'll be a great example for the back. And these ones are big. What do we got here, guys? One of the original Morgan Dansko albums, 1891 to 1921. Brand new sealed. So that's pretty awesome. Get this plastic off so I can inspect it. And you guys probably saw that coming with Morgans that I've been buying lately. Oh yes, very nice. And I won't bore you guys today with putting 3 coins in here, because that's what I've got so far. But once I get a few more coins to add to this, I will be uploading a video of adding some of these Morgans. But at the moment I've only got 3, so I'll wait a little bit longer before I add the coins that I have to it. Man, this box. It's tough. All right. And here we go with this one. A Morgan Dansko album, 1878 to 1890. This is the first one. And this looks to be a newer album like the rest of my Danskos. You can tell because of the new ones right here has like the smooth texture, and this one kind of has a different texture on the outside. But 2 more albums, guys, to add to the stack of albums that I have. But for right now, we will add these 3 coins right here. Get them in the album. Let's do the Franklin, since there's only one. We'll do this one first. Probably should be wearing gloves for this because it's really nice, but I can't find my gloves at the moment. So I'm gonna be really careful just to touch the edges and not put any grease or whatever's on my fingers and hands on the surface. So get it right in there. There we go. There. That one is a beauty, guys. So now on this page is just about full. And all I need is this 56 and a 57. I checked with my coin shop. They don't have a 57, but they do have a 1956 in BU for $15. So I might just jump on that and have a nice BU 56 in that last spot. And then I'll be working on this page very soon. And he does have a partial album at the coin shop with BU front coins here, so I might be picking up a few of those. Add some nice value to the front of the page. And let's get to the Walking Liberty album. We'll start with, let's do the last page. Finish off that last page. Put that 46S right in there. There it is, really quick. Sorry about the lighting. We'll get that in there. Don't have to worry about wearing gloves with that one. She's already dirty and circulated. And the 42S is right here. I'll do a little comparison to the 2 coins and the conditions, so you'll see that it's definitely an upgrade. Definitely an upgrade. These Walking Liberties are very beautiful coins when they're in this kind of condition. You can see all that detail. Beautiful. So I'll be happy to definitely add this one to the album, and I'll just add this to my stack. Once again, I wish I had my gloves for this because this coin is very beautiful and in really good shape. But my 42 Philly and my 42S are in very good shape. But there we go. I'm gonna try to, let me turn my camera up again. I'm gonna try to get this 39 this week, and then that will complete this page, and the back page is done. And then I can focus on this one. I need 37D, 38D, 34D, 33S, 29S, 28S, and 29D. And then this one will be done. And then I'll just be moving on to this page. This page is probably gonna take a little bit longer, being some of these coins are pricey in circulated condition and really nice condition and fine condition. So, but that's it. I don't really want to drag this video out any longer. I appreciate all my subscribers that are hanging around, watching my videos, commenting, leaving thumbs up. I really appreciate that. And if you're not a follower on my Instagram page, it's just J Parker Silver Stacker. Check me out. A lot of times I'll post stuff on Instagram first on what I'm going to be doing in my YouTube, so you can get a jump start and check out what I'm going to be doing first there. But if you're not a subscriber of my channel and you're watching this video, possibly consider subscribing. More great content coming on numismatic coins, bullion, and gold occasionally, and poured silver. But please leave a comment, like the video, and J Parker Silver Stacker is out.